Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to talk about the upcoming Pixel 9 lineup that Google is about to release. And following the way that Google releases their lineups, they always release in the fall of every year. Pixel 9 is going to be released in the fall of this year, so we should be expecting it between October and November of this year. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like this video. So the second rumor that we've gotten is that this Pixel 9 is going to come in 3 modules, unlike Pixel 7 and Pixel 8 that only came with 2 modules. So we are going to be having 3 modules of Pixel 9 according to rumor. First is going to be the standard Pixel 9, then the second one will be the Pixel 9 Pro, or the third one will be Pixel 9 Ultra or Pixel 9 Pro Max. We never can tell what is going to name this 3 flagship, but we are sure that we are having 3 flagship. The second rumor that we have gotten so far is that the design is going to look similar to that of iPhone 15 lineups, okay? Because the rumors that we are getting, especially from Only, suggest that the Pixel 9 will have a flat and metal back and side, and the back with panel will look like that of the one of a 15 lineups. So other physical change shown on the leak is the camera on the back. Okay, so the camera on the back is going to change, because previously the camera had a solid bar that stretched for the whole length of the phone, connecting edge on both sides. Okay, but the render suggests that the camera bar will instead be an oval island and stand alone in the middle. So the camera is going to be standing in the middle. It's going to be like an oval shape to be standing in the middle this time around. This is according to the leak that we are seeing on the internet. Then the third rumor that we have is that the camera is going to still look similar to that of a Pixel 8. So the full spec has not been leaked, so we cannot say categorically this is what we are going to be seeing. But some render images suggest that the Pixel 9 family, we have the triple camera setup, including telephoto zoom. Don't expect too much change, though there are still more leaks that are coming in. So as the leaks are coming in, I'll be uploading it on this channel. Okay, so for now there's no much leak on the camera for the Pixel 9 lineup. So, but according to all the rumors, it's still suggesting that the Pixel 9 will have the same camera with that of Pixel 8, which I don't really think it is a good strategy, but we cannot say that because this is just a rumor. Because you can see what iPhone and Samsung they are doing. You can see the competition. They are upgrading their cameras each time they release a new flagship. So for now, there's no much changes on the camera for the Pixel 9 lineup. So another rumor that we have for you is the software. Android 15 is officially to be launched or to be unveiled at Google I/O in May this year. But early developer preview shows that the new setting will improve privacy setting, is going to improve camera control, and one major features that may be addition to is, according to Android Authority, it will be helping the Pixel lineup to compete with Apple's emergence of SOS features, also the use of satellite messaging. So in this, it's safe to assume that there will be an increase and focus in generative AI features. We also hope to see that the Google will continue to offer at least 7 years of software support, as it did with the Pixel 8. What it means is that if this rumor is true, that means the Pixel 9 lineup is going to be one of the phones to reckon with this year. And of course, we don't know much about the price, but we know it's going to be a little bit higher than the Pixel 8 lineup, of course, because the Pixel 8 lineup starts with $542. So in this Pixel 9, with all this generative AI, all this camera improve, and the change of the size, because of course there will be a change in the screen size. So definitely the price is going to increase to like $560 or even $500 or $600. But let's keep our fingers crossed. And that is all we have for you in today's leaks. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, especially comment the country you are watching for. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.